pressure from the family, the pressure from the friends, from the community, that marriage solves all the problems. That the solution to all your miseries is marriage. That you have to soon get married. If you don't get married, you're going to die alone. If you don't this, you're... The pressure creates anxiety. The pressure creates self-hate. The pressure creates depression. And who wants to be around people who are going to cause us anxiety and depression and self-hate? And the guilt. That what have I done that I'm single but my friend got married? Maybe I have done something wrong. Maybe there's something wrong with me. Because of the pressure, so much pressure that why aren't you married? Now you're 30, now you're 31, now you're 31 and a half, now you're 32. Get married, have kids. So they feel there's something wrong with me. Maybe there's something wrong with me. The guilt. Maybe I am sinful that I am not married. Maybe